about rearrange. Okay, rearrange jumble letters, and after rearranging, I think what they say is out of 4, something will be different. So that one will be different. Okay, so it all about the mind calculation. The first itself I say, because if you are more capable of general knowledge, because general knowledge will be different from all education. Everyone have different knowledge. Okay, likewise here you have to look and then you can think of anything. What and all words it may be. Maybe it denotes a word of a fruit, or denotes a word of a flower, or a bird, or a animal. Likewise you can think. But I have some thinking that if we take Jinapa, okay, so let me just take Jinapa, and I can do some jumble. I can do some jumble, and I can rewrite it as PANAJI. It might not think, okay, it is very different. And if you take ELH, and simply I do jumble, okay, I do jumble, and I can rewrite as LEH. Simply, I'm just writing, okay, and then if I take a PSRUID, and if I do jumble, and at the same time if I rewrite, and I'm just getting DISPU or DISPU. Okay, so this term of DISPU also getting, and if I get ZA and LIAW, and if I do jumble, okay, if I do jumble or if I do rewrite, and I'm just getting AIZAW. So here Panaji, DISPER, ISWA. So except LH, okay, these three says it's a capital, okay, capital of state of India, okay, but that LEH, ELH is completely different because it's not any of the capitals of India. So only one, this one is different, okay. So because they asked a difference, or they can ask in another name called what odd man out. So odd man out also it shows the meaning of different. Okay, both odd man are different. So EL is just different from everything because other three denotes the capital of the